At SeaTac Airport, huge facility. We're inspecting roughly 150 elevators out there. A lot of them are escalators that run 24 hours a day. And it's very important that we're out there inspecting those annually. We want to make sure that the riding public is safe and that the workers are safe. And we're going to be following one of our inspectors, Tim, out there.
Hey, Eric.
Hey, Tim, how you doing today?
Doing good. Out here to do the annuals we talked about on the phone, and
Well, welcome to the port.
get on with that. My name's Tim Stolmeier. I'm with L&I in the elevator division, coming up on 4 years. Here at SeaTac, there's thousands of people that come through the airport every day. The last thing they need to worry about is getting hurt or getting behind on their schedule. Getting from one place to another safely is very important.
So this is E-Bank here, Tim, and the machine room is over this way.
Looks like we have good access to the machine room.
Yeah.
The first door. Okay. What we're looking for is cleanliness, that there's no hazards to enter the room. Make sure it's got MCP that we can check out, our maintenance control program. The work that's done through this book by the mechanics and the elevator company correspond to sections on our check sheet. It's the building owner's responsibility to maintain their elevators for the public and make sure the elevator companies are doing what needs to be done for their conveyances. There we can see the inside of a controller. Very nice. Traction shivs look in good condition. All looks good. I have a family history that goes back quite a bit. My grandfather was in the trade back in the 20s, was in for 33 years, I believe. My father was in the trade, he was in for 44 years. I have an uncle that was also in for 44 years. Myself, I've been in since 1981. Felt very proud when I became an elevator guy and kind of stepping in my dad's shoes a little bit. And now we'll get in the car and switch it over and check out the car top.
A single elevator, commercial elevator, gets about 20,000 people that ride on it every year. And so it's used a lot. And to be out there inspecting the elevator, all the integral parts on top of the car, inside the car, outside the hoistway, in the machine room, just to make sure that everything's operating correctly for the riding public and for workers. I love L&I's mission, keep Washington safe and working, because that's what we're doing when we're inspecting elevators. We're making sure that the riding public is safe and that our workers are safe in Washington State.